You know what is common about Brightside, Lucas, or this Everyday Money YouTube channel? They're all faceless YouTube channels, yet their growth is terrifying. Just look at Brightside. They have 44.6 million subscribers with a whooping 7.5 thousand video catalog. And all of their popular videos have received views in millions. Just like on this video, they have 93 million views. On this one, they have 65 million. On this one, they have 59 million. Now let me show you why these views matter. So here on blog.com, as you can see, the average YouTube in the US earns around $0.01 to $0.03 per view, which is roughly $10 to $30 per thousand views. Now down here in the stats, as you can see, per million views, you get $10,000 to $30,000, which is a lot. Now, if we calculate with the lower end, so that means on Brightside, just this video has 93 million views, which means only this video has made them $930,000 over the years. So now think, what about all these videos with millions of views? Crazy, right? And the fact that this channel is faceless, you must be thinking, why am I talking about this? In today's video, we're gonna learn how to start a faceless channel. And yes, truth be told, it takes effort, patience, and time to grow like this. It is not a one-night wonder, so you won't be making money within a day. But yes, if you stay consistent, you can get to where they are right now. And what I'm going to teach you is how to create this content with the help of AI and very less effort. The effort is so minimum that it feels like your YouTube channel is automated. And to do that, we're going to use Chatgpt to generate ideas, write scripts, and to generate the video, we're going to use Invideo.ai. Now, there are two ways of approaching Invideo.ai. One is through their custom GPT on ChatGPT 4, and the other one is through their web app. I personally recommend their web app as it is more flexible and easy to edit videos in, and it is free for starters, which means you don't have to pay for ChatGPT 4 in the start to just practice stuff. So without further chatter, let's go to Invideo.ai and start generating our first video. So we are here at their website, and the first thing that I want to show you is their pricing. So you can either use it for free, you will have 10 minutes of AI generation per week, or you can go with the plus plan or the max one if you're really going to create massive content. But I would recommend that you start with the free plan, start getting a hang of it, practice for a few days or weeks, and once you think that you're ready, you can subscribe to the plus plan so you can export videos without any watermarks and upload them over at YouTube, YouTube Shorts, or wherever you want to upload. Now let's sign up for Invideo.ai. Signing up is really easy. All you have to do is just click on sign up. You can either use your Google account, your Apple account, or your email. So I'm going to go with my Google account. So once you're done signing up with Invideo.ai, you will see something like this. Now what you can do is you can explore these workflows. If you click here, you see that you can do script to video, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reel. So there are tons of options, even for a free plan, which is great. Now I'm going to explore all the major workflows here, like YouTube Shorts, TikTok video, and Instagram Reel is somewhat similar. So I'm going to go with YouTube Shorts. Here I will provide the script or the detailed instruction about the short. For that, let's head to ChatGPT. Now here at ChatGPT, you don't even have to have ideas about your video. You can even generate ideas here, the script here, and all you need to do is just copy paste. So let's go and do that. So I'm going to say something like, give me 5 ideas about my YouTube Shorts in the health niche. And just like that, hit enter. And there you go, you have your 5 ideas lined up for you. I think we should go with idea number 3, wellness tips in 60 seconds. So I'm going to go with idea number 3 and generate the script for that. So I'm going to go and say, I like the third one, generate the script for it. And that is all you have to do. And there you go, your script is ready. All you need to do is click copy and just go back to Invideo.ai. I think this script is good enough. So I'm going to go and paste it right in here. After pasting in your script, you will have to configure some settings like this one if you want a male voice or a female voice. So I'm going to go with a male voice. I'm going to go with a clear American voice. After that, you can choose if you want to add subtitles or you don't want to add subtitles. So I'm going to go and choose this one, add word by word subtitles where the current spoken word is in yellow. After that, you will have to select the iStock. You can use the option with the fewer iStock media. You can use iStock normally, or you can prefer iStock when you can. So I'm going to go with as much iStock as possible because it's going to be a faceless video. So I want as much diverse footage as possible. After configuring all the settings, just click on continue. And now you can actually start generating your video. It's analyzing your video. It might take a few seconds. Alright, it's done analyzing my video. Now we will have to choose the audience, the look and feel, and the platform that we're going to upload it to. So for the audience, I really want to target the specific audience of the health niche. And for the look and feel, I want it to be more inspiring. And for the platform, YouTube Shorts, of course. So let's go and click on continue and start generating our video. This might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes, and your video will be ready. So there you go, our video is ready. Let's actually go and play this out and review the quality of this AI generated video.
Today we're diving into stress management. Ever been under stress? Squeeze it out with a stress ball. It's a great tension reliever and a catalyst for relaxation. As you squeeze and release, focus on your breath. Deep, slow breath are your ticket to calm. Inhale and exhale. Here's another tip to keep stress at bay. Sip on a cup of herbal tea, chamomile, peppermint,
Now, as you can see, the subtitles are spot on. The iStock is spot on with the audio, and everything was done with AI. You just spend 10 minutes and you get these results, which are really high quality. You can actually export these videos for free, but there's a catch. There will be a watermark unless and until you purchase their plus or their max pricing plan. Now, what if the timing or any of these iStocks are out of place? What you can do is you can click on this edit here, or you can give it any command like delete the second scene. It is not really relevant, or you can make this scene half as long. It's too wordy. So you can pretty much do anything using AI and natural language, and you don't even have to use any other app to edit these videos. You can just say it and AI will do it for you. Or you can go to this edit button here, and here on the top you can see the stock that is being used in your video, and here is the script that is being used in your video. Now what you can do is you can select any of these stock and you can delete them, or you can rearrange or add more stock. But this video was really great, so I'm not gonna change it. Let's go and actually try to export this video. So once you click on export, you see that you will have the stock watermarks, you will have the AI's branding, and you can only export up to 1080p. You cannot export in 4K resolution. And later on, if you wanna really go pro with this, you can actually buy this subscription, which is kinda really cheap for a tool of this quality, and you can actually export any video in 4K without any watermarks. So let's go and click on continue to export this one. And just like that, your video is rendered. All you need to do is click on download and you will see a download popping up. Now that was just YouTube Shorts, or you can use that for TikTok videos or Instagram Reel. So now let's actually go and generate another video, but increase the length and make it a full YouTube video rather than a YouTube short. So let's go and do that. So we are back here. We can either use the YouTube explainer or we can use the script to video. So I'm going to go with script to video, and here I'm going to pop in the script that I'm going to generate for Chatgpt. So let's head to Chatgpt now. So here at Chatgpt, I'm going to go and ask for content ideas for YouTube videos. So I'm going to say, give me 5 ideas for my YouTube videos in Mythbuster niche. So let's go and hit enter. And here are your ideas. I'm going to go with number 1, debunking health myths. And I'm going to generate a video on that. So I'm going to say generate a YouTube video script for idea number 1. Make sure the video length is around 2 minutes long. You can actually go and generate videos as lengthier as you want. But keep in mind, you get 10 minutes of AI generation per week for free. So let's go and hit enter. So there you go, our script is ready. All we have to do is click on copy, go back to Invideo.ai and paste in the script. For the free version, you will get this word cap, which is 3000 words, and you cannot exceed it. Alright, after you're done with your script, what you can do is you can add background music. So I'm going to go with uplifting, upbeat, and exciting. And this time I want a female voice and I want a British accent. So I'm going to go with young British voice. And after that, just click on continue. And now you can click on generate video. It will start to analyze your video and ask you a few more questions after that. And then you can generate your video. So it's done analyzing your video. So for this one, let's try general public, and the look and feel should be bright, and the platform is of course YouTube. You can even optimize it for Facebook or LinkedIn. So I'm gonna go with YouTube and just click on continue. And there you go, your video is being generated, and within a couple of minutes, you'll get your video. So there you go, your video is ready. But notice that the duration of the video is not 2 minutes. That is because AI is not perfect. Even though we asked Chatgpt to generate a video of 2 minutes, it generated a script that is not long enough for 2 minutes. So what you need to do is practice, proofread, And after you're satisfied with your script, you can actually put that script here to generate quality videos. Now let's actually go and play this video and check out the results.
Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the world of health myths to separate fact from fiction. First up, the age-old question. Does eating late at night really make you gain weight? Let's find out. Myth #1. Eating late at night leads to weight gain. But is it true? To put this myth to the test, we're conducting an experiment. I'll be eating a healthy, balanced meal right before bedtime for 7 consecutive nights. Each morning we'll track my weight and assess any changes. After a week of late-night snacking, the result...
And there you go. As a free AI tool and just spending 10 minutes to generate this video, I'm really satisfied with the results. And you can actually go on and export it just like we exported the YouTube Shorts, but there will be watermarks of the app as well as the iStock that you're using. So keep that in mind. If you want to upload these videos, you will have to buy their subscription. And that wraps up our video. Today we explored how we can use AI to actually start a faceless YouTube channel. And after some hard work and patience, we can actually potentially make an audience just like Brightside here. It might take some time, but it is not impossible. As to how fast AI is growing, I think this technology is going to get better and better. And sooner the quality of the video is going to jump up a whole another level. I hope this video was valuable. If you found this insightful, hit the like button. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Subscribe to Skill Curve for new content on cutting edge technologies. Ring that notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. We will continue to curb your skills with the latest tech. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.